Hi, I'm Chris Boss, construction consultant. Today what we're going to do is we're going to put up a towel bar. Now, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a tape measure, you're going to need a level, and you're going to need a screw gun and screws, and of course, a towel bar. Now, we're going to put this towel bar at 50 inches. Unlike a shelf, it's better with a towel bar to measure to the center of the hardware, not the top. So I'm making a mark at 50 inches, which is my center. Now this towel bar has one removable end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the removable end first, centering on my mark. Now I'm going to put a screw on my screw gun so I'm ready to go because I only have two hands. I'm going to insert this end into the already mounted end, and I'm going to take my level and put it on top. Now, once I've got it level, I'm going to hold it in place. Just in case, I'm going to put a little circle where the screw was, just in case it moves while I'm grabbing this, and I can check it's still there. And there you go. You have a nice, level towel bar to hang your towels on. My name's Chris Boss. Thanks for viewing.